Today, I watched some of the hearings relative to FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. And one of the commentators said something about that FTX was an exchange on a foreign soil that wasn't regulated by the United States government, and that we should be careful of that. And I said to myself, well, I'm glad I didn't get involved in FTX or anything like that, an exchange that is on foreign soil. And I said to myself, well, wait a second, you're involved with moomoo, and you've had some problems with moomoo. They haven't lived up to their agreement to work with you in exchange for you promoting their business. And they are in arrears for 2 months of those payments. And they don't communicate with you anymore. They don't answer your emails. So I've liquidated my holdings in moomoo.
Best of Us Investors presents Carrie Grinkmeyer.
And if you have been influenced by me in the past to get involved with moomoo, I am going to suggest you close your account. You liquidate your account and you close it and get as far away from him as you can. In fact, I suggest that if you have any Chinese stocks that are registered out of the Cayman Islands, you get away from them and you bring your money back to the United States. Globalization was wonderful until it wasn't. And as Peter Zion has shared with us, the deglobalization of the world is taking place, and it's a good thing because we don't have the safety and the security that we've become accustomed to as a part of this democracy. And moomoo is part of a communist country. Now, yes, I am under the understanding, and I was under the understanding that they are a registered U.S. company. But I know when I send them emails, my email is going to Jenny in China. So, with that being said, I want to once again say I have closed my accounts at moomoo. I suggest you do the same. And if you are affiliated with any exchange that is in any country other than the United States, I strongly suggest you break your ties. You get your money while you can. And if I'm wrong, okay. But it's risk and reward. And there is all the exchanges you need. And if you want a digital app, there are people in the United States who provide it. And for the safety and security of your well-being, I suggest you break all ties with anybody that is dealing in foreign exchanges and anybody who promotes them. I hereby apologize for anybody that I told to get involved with moomoo, and I hereby declare I'm out. I've got my money. I've sold my shares. Now I'm hoping they will send me the money as they promised they would. Overexuberance and profitable markets always present traps. And that's what happened in the last 2 years of this stock market. We have let our guard down and we've exposed ourselves to jeopardies that we don't understand. I'm Carrie Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I hope you can learn from my experience, and I hope this message gets to you and you take the proper actions. And be aware and be fearful of anybody who tells you any different and lures you to take your money and take it off the shores of the United States of America. Talk to you again soon.